morning, y'all. God is good. The barbershops is back open. I'm on my way to the shop, y'all. I'm thankful and grateful every day, man. And yeah, let's go.
Just give me loyalty, cause love is overrated. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know you love when we shaded. Got dark when we isolated.
Alright, y'all, I'm here at my barbershop, man. I'm thankful. I'm about to take this paper down. But anyway, be here at my barbershop in Daly City, Black and Gold Barber Lounge. Gonna cut some heads today, y'all. Let's get it.
What I was giving to her was fine. Like the goblin was solid. Yeah. And then like the second batch that I got her, when I had to get some more, she started getting wet. And I was like, what the hell? That's something going on. And then I got the rice, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots.
Alright guys, Rodney just got done cutting his client. How's it feel to be back, Rodney?
Feels great.
Feels good. Thanks, guys. Hey, baby girl. Yeah, we're back at the shop. Got our doors back open, so I'm gonna take advantage of this time and take care of all the clients that been missing out on haircuts, man.
I was the other people that were just not getting it.
Gonna go ahead and do a transformation on my brother Ricky. Just gonna shoot that before. So what's up, Rick? Hey. Alright. See you guys in a minute.
One of my favorite parts, definitely the taper. I'm gonna ball this out.
Sir, got done with my boy Ricky. This taper. One of my favorite cuts to do. Definitely one of my favorite clients too. Say what up, Rick.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
You know it. This is a Niner and Giants barbershop, y'all.
Sometimes it's getting the white hat. That's dope fun, bro.
Okay, why you trying to bring me out the house here? I thought you was kidding with me, bro.
What's up, Ellison? What's up, Wes?
Good, Dad.
What's up, Jim? Yes, sir. My bros. My bro's getting it in. Activizing. Get it. Brother June getting it in. You know? Alright, y'all. So I'm here with my boy Kev. Kev just got in. Say what's up, Kev. So what's up? Hey. I'm gonna go get fresh. He just came in. My boy's working hard, man. He got his own shop and he's working a second job, but you know, we gotta get it by all means. Let's go. What'd you say, Ellison?
So like, I felt dead because I couldn't open the door.
You couldn't open the
I
door?
was like, fuck, what am I doing wrong? And then I called everybody and I was like, fuck, okay, I looked at the lobby guy, I was like, oh fuck, bro, I gotta open the top line, not the bottom line.
Oh shit, it's been a while then, huh?
Oh my god. What's up, man?
How little we gonna get there?
All done with the cut. Thank you, Kev. Always coming through. Yes, sir. Always coming through. It's a weekly thing for me. Here at my Barbershop, Kaizen Collective. I always make sure it's a point to come here every Wednesday and chill with the guys and get my fresh cut, man. So, you guys are ever in San Francisco, man, and you guys need a barber, come out to Kaizen Collectives here on Terraville. My boy Kevin Shop. The rest of the guys. So yeah, man.
To the left. That's the shit right here.
This is the shit right here, Wes. This the shit. This is slap right
Alright, so what's going on, y'all? I'm back home. Today's vlog consisted of me being in the barbershop. I was able to pass by my boy, one of my close friends, Kevin's barbershop. I wanted to unbox some shoes that I got over the weekend. They're actually some shoes that Shoe Palace paid homage to as far as Filipino heritage. They came out with the Titan Air Jordan 23s. Titan is a barbershop and a basketball concept store in the Philippines. It's pretty dope because it's like a shoe store plus a barbershop. So I thought it was pretty dope to unbox these shoes today and show you guys. Ceremony Mall in Daly City was actually the only store, I think, in Northern California that released these shoes. Shout out to my Shoe Palace homies. It was able to hold a pair for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these shoes. It's a Shoe Palace bag, y'all. They came from Shoe Palace. Once again, Titan and Shoe Palace with the Jordan brand did a collab for some Air Jordan 23s. You see here that bottom logo is the Titan logo, obviously the Jordan logo. Yeah, I think this is pretty dope, man, because they actually did a collab with Jordan. I mean, they do carry a lot of basketball and the Jordan brand there at the Titan store in the Philippines. So I really thought these were dope, man. So you guys can see here, pretty dope wrap inside here. These are fire, man. If y'all could really see, it's like the sail white color on the actual Jordan. They come with an extra pair of shoelaces. Here on the side, it says Titan Philippines. Got a serial number on the bottom. The shoelaces are pretty dope. They got the gold tips. Sole is pretty dope. Check out the other side. Ooh, so on this side of the tongue, well, the first pair that I showed you, it has the Jordan logo on the tongue. And here on the right side of the shoe, it has the Titan logo on the tongue. And these are pretty fire, man. I mean, I'm definitely no hooper, but I definitely love shoes. I've been a shoe guy since way back, and I just appreciate shoes, man. Shoes and hats are like my thing, you know what I mean? I feel like your first impression to a lot of people could be your shoes. Not taking nothing away from people that have dirty shoes or that don't really care about their shoes, but yeah, I'm definitely like a shoe and a hat guy. So when I seen these, I definitely had to cop these though, y'all. These are pretty sick, man. Especially because Titan is like I said, is a basketball concept store in the Philippines. They got one in BGC out there in the Philippines. It's really dope. I mean, I've never been there, but from what I've seen, it's a pretty dope place. Very modernized, and just the fact that they came out with shoes with Jordan, man. Basketball is a big thing in the Philippines, y'all. Like, if you don't know, I got a lot of hooper friends out here in the Bay Area that'll tell you they actually played hoops out there in the Philippines. A lot of Filipinos love playing basketball, man. It's like their thing out there. I mean, we love playing any type of sports, but basketball is definitely one of those sports in the Philippines where they really are very passionate about, should I say. But yeah, these are pretty sick, y'all. So these are the Jordan 23 Titans. Pretty fire. Definitely gonna rock these, man. So yeah, I want to say thank you guys again for watching my channel. Please subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and leave comments, man. You know, my channel is growing a little bit. I want it to grow a little bit more. Let me know what else vlogs or anything, any other videos you guys would like me to post. And yeah, man, I see y'all. I love y'all. God is good. Peace, man.